What's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People. And let's just say you're having some issues with your Dell. Keep it right here. We'll go through it.
Parts People tutorials. Upgrade or repair your Dell. Need the part? Find it here.
So for tools, I recommend using a plastic scribe, as well as a Phillips number 000 for the bottom base, and then a number 0 for everything else. Links for those down below. Definitely note that there are two versions of this model, and that this tutorial is aimed specifically for those that have the NVIDIA GeForce MX 570. If you're not sure which one you have, go to the search bar in Windows and type in Device Manager. Navigate to the Display Adapters dropdown, and you can find out which you have. First, loosen the two captive screws and then remove the remaining screws. Now use your plastic scribe to separate and remove the bottom base cover. Always disconnect your battery before doing repairs to avoid electrical damage. Now disconnect and lift out the speakers. Okay, you've gotten this far and you're still having issues. What do? You can always reach out to us for diagnostics, repairs, upgrades, or anything else Dell related. We've specialized in Dell laptops for over 20 years, so if you need anything at all, link is. Now the reassembly of your laptop is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need to purchase your replacement part, click here to visit our site and find it. And while over there, you can view our printable instructions that include images to help you along the way. And also don't forget, we have more playlists here, so keep checking back. I do read your comments, so leave any questions you have for me down below. Thanks for watching.